my name is Tushabis and welcome to Skyward's YouTube channel. As you all know, this month's topic is all about artificial intelligence and education. Already, the first part of this particular topic has came in the first week of January. So let's continue to the second part in which Farhan and Shrivats are discussing about something. So let's straight go to the video and see what Farhan and Shrivats have to say about the artificial intelligence and education.
So let's continue with our second part, in which I want to know about that how a artificial intelligence will be helpful in students' life. So what are your views on that, Shivas?
So Farhan, as you know, growing demand for AI technology to enhance education system is nowadays growing day by day. As you know, classroom sizes are rapidly increasing. As a result, interaction between students and teachers are limited. AI technology is useful to analyze a huge number of data points for analyzing the performances of students. AI technology is transforming traditional educational processes by improving relationship between corporations and educational institutes. And as you know, AI technology not only enhances but it also sophisticates the process of educational institutes. AI tools are developed using AI platforms for institutes and universities. These tools enable them to gain experience in solving students' academic requirements and problems. The software would be able to provide the improved performance and productivity of students over the years. So, you know that AI technology in the field of education is increasing day by day. So, yeah, these are the opportunities that are available for the students and teachers to get to know about their strengths. As I have told in the previous video also, that strengths and weaknesses will be like more familiar to the students as they were in the traditional educations.
Absolutely right. I totally agree with you. This will be more. These kinds of things will be more sophisticated to students' life and will be good to understand about them. Okay.
So Farhan, let me ask you, what are the challenges that would be faced by the AI to adapt itself in the education system?
That's a very good question, actually, Shivats. We also like our research team is also working on that also. So I would take up some points from there or there too. That what kind of problems we might face when we are launching our Skyward AI. Okay. So I would be taking some points from there only, whatever research they have done. So let me start with some points only. I'll be keeping it very short and brief.
So Farhan, can you tell us in a very brief that what Skyward AI will do and or what will it benefit for the students and teachers if they install this particular app?
It is right now we are focusing only on student. Second or third phase will be for teachers and and schools or other institution and all. Right now we are just focusing for a parent and a kid. Okay, it's a advanced guidance system for students. It will help them achieve their goals. Very simple, as simple as that. And how it does or how it should do, how it works, our people will connect with each and every one of you, or you can also connect with us in skyward.com.
Yeah, you can write us down in the comment section below.
Yeah, that definitely our people will connect with you and make you understand that how it should be or it will be beneficial for you. And I'll not go into the marketing part of all these things. So let's continue with our topic only. So your question was that what kind of difficulty AI or ML can face while entering the market. Okay.
Yeah.
So let me put it in bullet points. Okay. The most problems what we think of are like this: preparing teachers for AI powered education, cost of AI technology, the skill gap, time and energy limitations. What I meant to say is artificial intelligence in education has brought several beneficial changes from classroom interaction, coursework, learning, admission processes. AI makes it all better, and the advancement and actually it is keep on advancing. Okay, and it is improving day by day, and new technologies are emerging. On the flip side, AI education is not without its challenges. Educators are in fear of instituting robotics or schematic changes that are very vulnerable to attack. Okay.
Okay.
So to sum up, teachers and schools cannot afford to ignore AI. That is my point. Okay, they should not be ignoring all these things. They should adapt to these things, and it will improve the processes. Many processes. Okay, in education, many processes are there. It will be improving that. Okay, improving the efficiency, and it will help out each and every one of us to understand everything. This is all from my side. I would like to ask you one thing, that why should we encourage, okay, why educators or institutions should encourage.
Hey guys, wait, where are you going? Again, this is not the end of the video. So, actually, I am curious what Farhan was exactly asking from Shrivats. Are you curious too? So, let's meet next week again for the third part of this particular topic. So let's end the video, and as you know that the Google form link is given in the description. So do check out that and give your thoughts and your suggestions about the technology that can help our education system thrive. Also comment down your views and thoughts about this video, that which section of this particular video you liked. So till then, this is Tushavis signing off.